Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and this is a Galaxy S24 Plus with a cracked display. And of course, we have our Galaxy expert here in the shop to fix it. Let's go. As you can see here, it's very cracked. There's lots of focused areas where the cracks originated from, and this is quite awkward because the other parts of the smartphone is really in a pristine condition. Just the front display is damaged, so there's nothing we can do about it. We have to replace it, and this is how we start off the repair with the Galaxy S24 Plus. We remove the back cover, and as you can see, I like the new design language for Galaxy smartphones. These edgy sides here and the flat glass and the back covers are quite nice. It reminds me of iPhone 5, and you can still see this across different tiers of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. In the A series, you have the A55 with the same design, just using different materials. So you have your A series with aluminum and plastic. This S24 Plus, of course, has the highest grade metal on the housing, and you can see that the layout, although the same with the A series smartphones and other types of Galaxy devices, it's a more premium build compared to the lower tier, of course. So this flagship device can be disassembled this way, although David is making it look easy. If you try this yourself, if you're keen on DIYing your repairs, this could be doable if you have the proper tools and the patience, and of course the right training or experience. We have removed the cover for the wireless charging cables to the daughter board. The daughter board also goes out, and we are going to remove the main board now. The main board very small, and that's very good use of space. And the majority of the area for the internal components is taken up by this giant battery, and of course, Samsung being Samsung, this is good quality battery. We can still reuse this. We're gonna pull out the adhesive tape, and you can see there it's machined aluminum for the housing. You can see there it's quite nice. So if we replace the display, we are also going to replace the housing. So that's how we do it here. You can remove just the display, but it's going to take more steps. And this one is a foolproof way, although in a different color. This one is black. So if you're particular with the color of your smartphone, then this might be offensive to you, but this one is still for the same model. All the parts will fit in, just on a different aesthetic. I personally like the original housing color, but this one looks clean, and you can see there it's just popping them right back in reverse order, so no issues with how David is doing everything. This one is also brand new. We have parts for the S24 Plus. They're all brand new. You can see there's plastic on the side still, and David is also experienced in fixing Samsung Galaxy smartphones, so good quality parts, professional service, and of course reasonable prices. That's what you get with Sydney CBD Repair Centre. And now we are gonna put back all the screws. There's tons of screws if you're fixing a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Compared to an iPhone, I'd still prefer fixing Samsung Galaxy smartphones. They're easier. You don't need to worry about special screws This one, they're just the same size. See there, David's just flying through them with this electric screwdriver. And we'll test it after we fully reassemble everything. No parts have been left behind. And we'll turn this on. Plug a charger in. See if it boots up. Showing us a charging indicator. It's not sped up. It's in real time. And it's still at 81%. This is quite nice. We'll turn this on. And we'll wait for it to boot up. There's the Samsung Galaxy logo. And I think this is good. David will put the back cover to the housing. It's not looking right, to be honest, but it's working. It's a black with a light back cover. It's not really glamorous, but when you look up front, it looks brand new. And we remove this plastic cover and it's all good. Colors are working, touchscreen is working, and this is good. This is the before and after. This is the old one and the new one. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and we'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're